Essence A34 protects you for 16-inch laptop. Let's try to put here my 16-inch laptop MacBook and see how it fits. How we can see it's really perfect. Inside, the material is very pleasant to touch. There is also reinforced corner protection. Reminder for UKK zipper. The first packet looks like this and features additional mini packets. We have there a lot of space. On the back we have second packet. We have a large open packet there. I have my MacBook inside there. I also put the power bank adapter in. Let's put my AirPods there too. Let's put my power bank over there. I also wanna put my AirPods behind the power bank. And we still have a lot of space. Essence A34 sleeves also available from 13 to 16-inch laptops. Let's unbox the Essence A35 sleeve for 16-inch laptop. There we have high quality UKK zipper, eco-friendly case with corner armor protection, premium water resistance, reminder for UKK zipper. We have there one more packet. Essence A35 sleeves also available from 13 to 16-inch laptop.